Stop. Before you stand up, before you reach for coffee, before you turn on the news, pause for one moment. If you are over 60, you must hear this. Every morning, millions of older adults make 4 tiny mistakes in the first hour after waking. Mistakes so small that most people never notice them. But these mistakes can quietly harm your heart, increase memory fog, strain your blood pressure, weaken your balance, and raise your risk of a dangerous fall. And here is the truth no one told you. Your first 60 minutes after waking are the most important minutes of your entire day. They decide your energy, your clarity, your mood, and even your safety. But the good news is simple. Fix just 4 small morning habits and you can protect your independence, sharpen your brain, and feel steadier for the rest of the day. Stay with me because by the end of this video you will know. Heavy checkmark the 4 morning habits that are secretly harming your body. Heavy checkmark the 4 powerful replacement habits that protect your brain, heart, and balance. Heavy checkmark real stories from seniors who changed one habit and transformed their mornings. Heavy checkmark doctor-style explanations so you know exactly why these habits matter. And the best part? You can start all 4 tomorrow morning. Worst habit number 1. Getting out of bed too fast. Imagine you wake up, sit up quickly, and stand like you always have. But after 60, your blood pressure does not instantly rise with you. Doctors have a name for this: orthostatic hypotension, a sudden drop in blood pressure when you stand. Here is what happens inside your body. Blood pools in your legs. The brain receives less blood for 3 to 10 seconds. Vision fades. Balance weakens. You feel lightheaded or pulled downward, and all it takes is one dizzy moment to cause a fall. Warren always jumped out of bed fast. One morning the room tilted. He reached for the dresser but missed. He fell and fractured his wrist. Months of therapy, all from a single careless morning moment. Marie fainted after standing too quickly. Her doctor explained, "It is not your age. It is your circulation. Slow your movements." She changed one habit and stopped fainting episodes completely. This is preventable, and you will learn how in part 2. Worst habit number 2. Skipping water and going straight to coffee. When you wake up, your body is mildly dehydrated. Overnight, you lose water through your breath and your skin. Here is what mild dehydration does, especially after 60. Makes your heart work harder, thickens your blood slightly, slows your thinking, tightens joints, weakens balance, raises blood pressure, makes dizziness more likely. Coffee in the morning is not the problem. Coffee before water is. Ellison thought her morning fog was just aging, but she never drank water first. One morning she nearly collapsed while making breakfast. Her doctor told her, "Start with water." She tried it for a week. Her clarity improved. Her dizziness stopped. Her energy rose. One glass of water can transform the entire day. Worst habit number 3. Eating a sugar-heavy breakfast. Here is what a typical senior breakfast looks like. Sweet cereal, white toast with jam, pastry, orange juice, or sometimes nothing at all. These foods spike your blood sugar fast, then crash it even faster. And that crash can cause shaking, fatigue, irritability, sudden weakness, poor concentration, higher fall risk. Doctors warn that repeated morning sugar spikes can increase inflammation and damage blood vessels over time. Harold ate pastries for breakfast for years. He always felt tired by 10 a.m. His nutritionist replaced pastries with oatmeal, berries, and a boiled egg. Within 2 weeks, his energy changed. He said, "I did not know breakfast could decide my entire day." Worst habit number 4. Phone or TV immediately after waking. This one surprises people. When you open your eyes and scroll news, Facebook, WhatsApp, or turn on the news, your brain receives negative headlines, emergency updates, loud conversations, dark stories, social comparison, distractions, before your brain has even warmed up. This sudden information shock increases stress hormones, anxiety, heart rate, tension, uneasiness, low mood, and it ruins the calm your brain needs in the first minutes of the day. Linda watched the news the moment she woke up. She felt stressed all day. She tried 10 screen-free minutes for a week. Her mood lifted, her anxiety dropped, and she finally enjoyed peaceful mornings again. Your brain needs gentleness, not chaos, in the first moments of the day. Better habit number 1, the 60-second bedside rule. This is the simplest and most powerful fall prevention habit. When you wake, sit up slowly. Place your feet flat on the floor. Take 3 deep breaths. Roll your shoulders. Rotate your ankles. Pause for 60 seconds. Doctor explanation. This gives your blood pressure time to rise slowly, letting blood return to your brain steadily. It prevents the head rush and reduces fall risk dramatically. Better habit number 2. Drink 1 full glass of water first. Before coffee, tea, or anything else, drink 1 full glass of water. Doctor explanation. Water increases blood volume, wakes up kidney function, supports brain circulation, and stabilizes blood pressure. Hydration helps your medications work properly and improves morning clarity. Add lemon if you prefer flavor. Better habit number 3. Eat a slow-fuel, low-sugar breakfast. Choose eggs, Greek yogurt, oatmeal, nuts, berries, whole grain toast, avocado, cottage cheese. Doctor explanation. Protein plus fiber cause a slow rise in blood sugar, giving the brain and muscles steady fuel. This protects memory, mood, and morning energy. Better habit number 4. Keep the first 10 minutes screen-free. Use the first minutes for stretching, deep breathing, gentle walking, looking out the window, light journaling, quiet reflection. Doctor explanation. This calms the nervous system, lowers cortisol, supports emotional stability, and clears mental fog. Why these changes matter. When all 4 habits are combined, heavy check mark, you reduce the risk of falls. Heavy check mark, you stabilize blood pressure. Heavy check mark, you protect your brain. Heavy check mark, you improve mood. Heavy check mark, you reduce morning stress. Heavy check mark, you increase independence. Heavy check mark, you age with more confidence. Small steps, big results. Quick daily checklist. Pause 60 seconds before standing. Drink a full glass of water. Eat a slow-fuel breakfast. Avoid screens for 10 minutes. Try these for 1 week. You will feel the difference. Warren never fell again after using the 60-second rule. Ellison regained her clarity with 1 morning glass of water. Harold restored his energy with a better breakfast. Linda regained her peace by delaying the news. For people, for tiny changes, for better lives. And now it is your turn. Which habit will you start tomorrow? Type the 60-second pause. Water first. Slow fuel breakfast. 10 minutes without screens. All if you will try everything. Like the video, subscribe to AgeWise, and turn on the bell so you never miss the tips that protect your independence.